Hi everyone, just a quick how-to video on how to apply for an online trade account with William Smith. It's a question we often get asked, so within a minute or so we're going to guide you through the process and hopefully help you out. So first thing we need to do is visit the William Smith website, which is williamsmith.co.uk. So if we go straight up to the computer screen, I have the home screen on my laptop. So you've landed on the William Smith homepage. You'll notice in the top right corner of the page there is an option to apply for an online trade account. You need to click through to that page. You will now land on a registration page. Really simple. You need to fill in the details, enter in the necessary information for your company into all the fields. Fields include title, contact name, first name, last name, phone number, and then company details. Once you've filled in the fields, you need to click request your account, and once you've requested your account, we will then go through the necessary processes of checking if you are a trade account, and if accepted you will receive a notification within 24 hours to say you now have an online trade account. It's as simple as that. So thank you very much everybody, and we hope you find that useful.